Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi you all. Okay, jumpa lagi kita dalam siri kedua tutorial. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to cover part of subtopic 1.2. Okay, problem analysis. Okay, so in this 1.2 problem analysis, you will have two part. Okay, input, process, output, and control structure. Okay, so for this class, okay, at the end of this class, you should be able to analyze the problem into IPO, which is input, process, and output. Okay, I hope you can recall IPO in our last class, in our first class. Okay, so before we go further, first you need to know the structure of the problem that you have. Okay, in programming, you will have three control structure. Okay, they are sequence, selection, and repetition. Okay, so what is the control structure? Okay, so control structure is the block of programming that analyze variables and chooses the direction to go based on given input. Okay, meaning that the program where the program should go after input is entered, what it should do after input is entered. Okay, so we have three control structure. Let's see the first one, sequence. Okay, sequence perform actions after one after another. Okay, it's more like in a straight direction. Okay, then we have selection. It will perform actions based on a certain condition, meaning that it needs to choose. Okay, if this condition is true, it will do this, and then if this condition is not true, it will do other thing. Okay, so lastly we have repetition. Okay, the program will perform one or more actions repeatedly while certain condition is true. Okay, example, I need to enter marks for 10 students. So the program should be able to enter 10 times of mark. Okay, so itu maksudnya repetition lah. Okay, okay, but for this class we are going to focus on sequence first. Okay, as shown in figure. Okay, you have statement 1, then you go to statement 2, then statement 3, one after another. Okay, so this is sequence. It will go from one statement to another statement without skipping. Okay, and this statement can be input, process, or output. Okay, okay, then how should you write the correct IPO analysis? Okay, when you get the problem, first you have to analyze what is input, process, and output of that problem. So how we should write, okay, to perform IPO analysis. Okay, so first you have to write input, and then what kind of input that you should and that the program should accept. Okay, should read. Okay, and then process. Okay, process ni the base on the output. Okay, so what output you want, so the process would be calculate output based on input. Okay, calculate output based on input. Okay, so that part 1, okay, for example, we will continue in video part 2. Okay, nanti panjang sangat, payah nak upload. Okay.